Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm going to show you how to break into any GM truck using one simple design flaw with the rear window. Now the truck is unlocked here for demonstration purposes, so just so I can show you the latch. But theoretically, if you get in here, you can see that the latch part is broken. There's originally a piece that is in there that clips onto there, but that broke off. So now the window just opens. Now this truck is not very old. It's a 2016 and it has 60,000 miles on it. So it's not like it's an old truck that gets a lot of use. So if you climb into the bed, you should be able to just kind of open this window. And then, now I'm not super skinny, I mean I'm pretty skinny. I have a 34-inch waist, so this could be accessible to a lot of people. So, if you just shimmy your way in, you should be able to get in. I'm in, and it only took 20 seconds. So then, now that you're in, laptop. You can literally have access to the entire car. Now you can't open the doors when the car is locked or else the alarm's gonna go off. But you could take everything out. Found a tow adapter. Some AirPods. Got a bunch of tools over here I could take. I literally can take anything I want. Big toolbox. Just fits out the rear window. Take that. $500 OBD2 scanner. Take that as well. Socket set. Take that. Now that I'm in here, I literally can take anything I want. So then it's pretty easy to get out. It's a little harder than getting in, but it's not too big of a deal. So, should also just be able to shimmy your way out. And you're out. Now I've got $1,000 in electronics. $1,000 in tools. And this is an empty parking lot. It's not like anyone's gonna see you. No, there's a very simple way to fix this. Shut that, no one will ever know. If you get in and you just like get a clip, drill a hole right there in the back, get a piece of wire, just like sturdy wire, like a piece of chicken wire or something. You can wrap it from there around to there where it's originally meant to go in. And then once that's stuck, it'll be very hard to move the window. So that's a very easy way to fix this very big problem that could potentially lose someone thousands of dollars in goods. That's it.